Make tortillas with me. I'm going to show you how to use a secret ingredient to make them really soft like this and end up with a double layer. At the end of this video, I have a little treat for you. It's an old Mexican saying that has to do with tortillas. Recipe calls for 4 cups of corn flour, 3 cups of warm water, and 1 teaspoon of butter. Don't add salt. I definitely don't recommend it. Incorporate the water in slowly. Mix well. Once you've mixed it well, cover it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep lukewarm water handy. You will more likely need it to keep your masa moist. And here's a secret ingredient. Add the teaspoon of butter, and of course I love using my masa punch. I rotate the pot as I go and I punch. I feel like I turned myself into a masa punching machine. Once the dough doesn't stick to your hands anymore, it's ready to go, and you can start making these babies. Your comal or griddle should be pretty hot on medium high. It should be hot enough that the tortillas cook fast, but not so hot that they're gonna burn. The masa should be as moist as possible without it sticking to your hand. And once you lay them on the griddle, check the edges. Once the edges start looking a little more transparent, a little bit cooked, then it's time to turn your tortilla. Yeah, if you wait too long and cook them too long, they're going to dry up and they won't be soft. Also, don't forget to only turn a tortilla once or twice. That's it, you're done. That's also important for softness. And the saying goes like this: no me voltees la tortilla, which means don't turn the tables on me. Thanks for watching. Bye.